Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And if you are a user of a webcam with face recognition for the Windows Hello, maybe you've noticed that it's a little harder to get your Windows Hello recognition of your face. You might have wondered what is happening. Well, it seems that a lot of users not particularly happy with a change that happened with the Patch Tuesday of April. Now, there was a security flaw in Windows Hello, and so when you used your Windows Hello to get into your accounts, what would happen is that your Windows Hello features for using the webcam that recognizes your face, it's like facial recognition, by the way, just didn't recognize you as it did before. You might have noticed that, for example, in darkness or in very dark environments, it used to work and it stopped working. You might notice that you have to reposition yourself differently to have it unlock. And it all has to do with the fact that the low light recognition, which often used infrared from the cam to do a 3D picture of your face, had a security flaw. And because of that, now they're using the capabilities of both the infrared, but also, if it's available, of course, some cams don't have it, and the color cam. And the thing is because of that change, in low light environment, your face might not be recognized anymore. So it's not a bug. Microsoft does say that it is by design because of that security flaw that they had to fix. So if you've noticed that the recognition from your of your face from your camera on Windows Hello is not as good, well, you're not wrong. It has degraded because of that. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.